I've owned this BMW M2 for about 5 days now, and it's about time for us to go drop this car, lower it, and kind of fix the stands. We're going to take it to Sean Murphy at Elite BMW, where he's going to drop it. We've got some KW height adjustable springs, and we're going to put those on and slam it as low as it can go, and we'll see how it goes. Well, thank you very much. Appreciate it. See you later. We'll see you in 2 days. All right, so we've dropped off the car. We're gonna keep like the factory rake. We're not gonna do like the muscle car stands or anything like that. Lower it as far as we can, and we'll see how it goes. It's the next day now, and it's amazing how fast and efficient Sean is with this work. Literally a day has gone by and we're ready to go pick up the car. So he's been teasing me with a lot of these pictures of how it's lowered and so on, and I haven't seen it in person yet. So let's go check it out. Super excited to go check it out. I'm still outside. I haven't seen the car, so let's go see Sean and the car. Sean has a brand new 340. You give up the 240 for the 340?
Yeah.
Nice.
I hit mileage on the 240, so.
Well, let's go check out what a 2023 340 looks like. And that thing's loud. Here we go. Yeah, I love the color, eh?
It has grown on me a lot. When I first got it, it was, that's a very red car.
This is like Jeff's car almost, no?
This is Melbourne red.
Oh, so
more of an orange.
Okay.
Yeah, then lowering it in the spacers made a big difference too.
Oh yeah, spacers make a huge difference. Well, congrats.
Thank you.
It didn't stay stock for very long.
A day.
Yeah, just a day. I'd have to say, you're probably one of the most efficient master technicians out there. So I can't believe how fast you worked on my M2. Ooh, check it out. Looks lowered. Oh yeah. Finally, the wheel gap is sorted. Looks so much better lowered. That's amazing, man. That looks awesome. Get some spacers in there and that's gonna look pretty dope. Could it go any lower? Not with these springs, unfortunately, but it looks good regardless. So Sean took literally 2 hours to get this done. How was the install process? Was it quick?
It went really well. Yeah, it's basically the same suspension as the M3 and M4s, so I've done a couple of those. And it's
KW Haas. So that's what's on the car. So I guess we'll test to see if it gets any lower.
Just how low it goes after it settles.
Yeah. And you suggest that it's going to drop another 1/4 inch?
About a 1/4 inch by the time it settles.
Nice. Well, and spacers probably next for me.
Yeah, get the flush low.
Yeah. Check it out. He's done the alignment as well. It's been lowered on KW height adjustable springs. For now, let's go for a drive. It's all right. I just got to watch for approach angles now. It's not as low as we think it is yet. Well, it still drives about the same. I like it. I like it a lot. So right now we're in comfort, and in comfort it feels good. If I remember correctly, it feels about the same as what it was before. It hasn't really compromised that comfort driving feel. Put it in sport, it tightens up. Ooh, that's nice. Oh yeah, sport is pretty tight now. I think I will leave it in comfort. Sport Plus is super tight. You can feel it. It's not bad at all. Comfort's the way to go, I think. Yeah, all in all, pretty good. Well, I highly recommend any kind of height adjustable springs for the car. Should have been how it came out of the factory as well. Man, I'm loving it. With a few minutes of driving, this feels really good. It hasn't compromised the overall dynamics on the street, and I'm thinking it's probably good on track as well. This lowered setup, I prefer a lot. Now, this is very similar to what the M Performance Hosket you could get as well. I didn't go that option because the M Performance Hosket doesn't drop as much as these aftermarket ones would. So this is why I went with the KW Hosket. We had an option to do the M Performance Hosket, well, but we didn't do that. Yeah, no rubbing. That's another thing as well. You know, in the M4 and M3 with these lowering kits, there is issues of rubbing the fenders, the inner fenders of the car on the up front. This one, there's no rubbing at all. All right, we're home. Car's lowered. I'm so happy with the way this all turned out. Thank you, Sean from Elite BMW, for dropping the car on these KW height adjustable springs. I think I'll wrap up for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this one. I think I'll do another one where I do a walk around and potentially a review of the car as well. If you'd like to see any of these, let me know in the comments below. And anything else you would want to know about this car lowered on KW Hosket. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next one.